Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your boy, back at it again with another video. Today, we're diving deep into the world of e-commerce. We're talking about the big dogs, the giants, the platforms where you can launch your product and reach millions of customers. Whether you're slinging handmade jewelry, vintage kicks, or the next big tech gadget, we're breaking down the top 10 e-commerce platforms of 2024 so you can decide where to set up shop. Let's do this. First up, we've got the OG, the one that started it all, eBay. This platform has been connecting buyers and sellers since the dawn of the internet, and it's still going strong. We're talking about a truly global marketplace with millions of active users all over the world. That means you can reach a massive audience no matter what you're selling. And the beauty of eBay is its diversity. You can find everything from rare collectibles to everyday essentials, making it a treasure trove for both buyers and sellers. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, eBay's got something for everyone. One of the things I love about eBay is its auction format. It's exciting, it's competitive, and it can lead to some serious deals. You can set a starting price and watch as bidders battle it out, driving up the price and potentially landing you a big payday. Of course, you can also choose to sell your items at a fixed price, known as Buy It Now. This gives buyers instant gratification and ensures you get the price you want for your goods. And with eBay's robust seller tools and resources, you'll have everything you need to manage your listings, track your sales, and build a thriving online business. But eBay's not just about making money, it's also about community. Over the years, eBay has fostered a sense of connection between buyers and sellers, creating a space where people can interact, share their passions, and find unique and interesting items. Whether you're a collector searching for that elusive vintage toy or a DIY enthusiast looking for rare parts to complete your latest project, eBay's got you covered. So, if you're looking for a platform with global reach, a diverse market, and a strong sense of community, eBay is definitely worth checking out. Next up, we've got the undisputed king of e-commerce, Amazon. This behemoth needs no introduction. It's where millions of people go to buy everything from books and electronics to groceries and clothing. And with Amazon's vast customer base and unparalleled fulfillment services, it's no wonder why so many sellers choose to set up shop on this platform. Whether you're a small business owner or a large corporation, Amazon provides the tools and resources you need to reach a massive audience and grow your business exponentially. One of the biggest advantages of selling on Amazon is its Fulfillment by Amazon (FBA) program. This service allows you to store your products in Amazon's warehouses and let them handle the packing, shipping, and customer service. That means you can focus on what you do best, creating and sourcing amazing products. Amazon also offers a powerful suite of marketing and advertising tools, allowing you to target specific customer demographics and drive traffic to your listings. And with Amazon's reputation for reliability and customer satisfaction, you can be confident that your products will be delivered on time and in perfect condition. But Amazon's dominance in the e-commerce space also comes with its challenges. Competition is fierce, and standing out from the crowd can be tough. You'll need to optimize your listings, invest in advertising, and provide exceptional customer service to succeed on this platform. However, for those willing to put in the work, Amazon offers unparalleled opportunities for growth and success. So, if you're looking for a platform with a massive customer base, robust fulfillment services, and a proven track record of success, Amazon is the undisputed champion of e-commerce. Now let's shift gears and talk about Etsy, the online marketplace for all things handmade, vintage, and unique. If you're an artist, crafter, or collector, Etsy is the perfect platform to showcase your creations and connect with a global community of like-minded individuals. Etsy fosters a sense of creativity and individuality, making it a haven for those who appreciate handcrafted goods and one-of-a-kind treasures. Whether you're selling hand-knitted scarves, vintage cameras, or personalized jewelry, Etsy provides a platform to build your brand and share your passion with the world. One of the things I love about Etsy is its focus on community and sustainability. The platform encourages sellers to use eco-friendly materials and practices, and it provides resources and support for small businesses and independent creators. Etsy also has a strong social mission, promoting fair trade and empowering women entrepreneurs around the world. This commitment to ethical and sustainable practices sets Etsy apart from other e-commerce platforms, making it a great choice for conscious consumers and sellers who want to make a positive impact. Etsy's interface is also incredibly user-friendly, making it easy for both buyers and sellers to navigate the platform. You can create a beautiful and customizable storefront to showcase your products, and Etsy's search algorithms make it easy for buyers to find exactly what they're looking for. Etsy also offers a variety of marketing and promotional tools, allowing you to reach a wider audience and grow your business. So if you're looking for a platform that celebrates creativity, community, and sustainability, Etsy is the perfect place to set up shop and share your unique talents with the world. Let's go back to basics with Craigslist, the granddaddy of online classifieds. It's simple, it's straightforward, and it's all about connecting buyers and sellers in your local community. Craigslist isn't flashy or fancy, but it gets the job done. Whether you're selling furniture, electronics, or even a used car, Craigslist provides a free and easy way to reach potential buyers in your area. And with its no-frills approach and minimalist design, Craigslist eliminates the distractions and complexities of other e-commerce platforms, making it a great option for those who prefer a more direct and uncomplicated buying and selling experience. One of the biggest advantages of Craigslist is its hyper-local focus. You can browse listings by neighborhood, city, or region, ensuring that you're connecting with buyers and sellers in your immediate vicinity. This localized approach fosters a sense of community and trust, making it easier to find reliable buyers and sellers in your area. Craigslist also allows for face-to-face transactions, which can be a great way to avoid shipping costs and potential scams. And with its simple and intuitive interface, Craigslist is incredibly easy to use, even for those who are new to online classifieds. However, it's important to remember that Craigslist is a platform where caution is key. Because it's largely unmoderated, it's essential to take precautions to ensure your safety and protect yourself from potential scams. Always meet in a public place for transactions, be wary of deals that seem too good to be true, and trust your instincts when interacting with potential buyers and sellers. Despite these caveats, Craigslist remains a valuable resource for buying and selling locally, offering a simple and effective platform for connecting with your community. Now let's talk about Facebook Marketplace, the e-commerce platform that's seamlessly integrated into the world's largest social media network. With Facebook Marketplace, buying and selling is as easy as scrolling through your newsfeed. You can list items for sale in just a few clicks and connect with potential buyers directly through Facebook Messenger. And with Facebook's massive user base and powerful targeting features, you can reach a highly specific audience for your products. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, vintage clothing, or even used furniture, Facebook Marketplace provides a convenient and accessible platform for reaching buyers in your community and beyond. One of the biggest advantages of Facebook Marketplace is its social integration. You can leverage your existing Facebook network to promote your listings and connect with potential buyers based on shared interests, groups, and connections. This social element adds a layer of trust and familiarity to the buying and selling process, making it easier to find reliable buyers and sellers. Facebook Marketplace also allows for easy communication and negotiation through Messenger, creating a more personalized and interactive buying experience. And with Facebook's robust fraud detection and security measures, you can be confident that your transactions are safe and secure. Facebook Marketplace is also incredibly user-friendly, making it easy for both buyers and sellers to navigate the platform. You can browse listings by category, location, and price range, and filter your search results to find exactly what you're looking for. Facebook Marketplace also provides detailed seller profiles, allowing you to learn more about the person you're buying from and assess their credibility. So, if you're looking for a convenient, accessible, and socially integrated e-commerce platform, Facebook Marketplace is a great option for buying and selling within your community and beyond. Now let's step into the world of Shopify, the all-in-one e-commerce platform that empowers you to build your own online empire. Shopify provides everything you need to create a stunning online store, manage your products, process payments, and build a thriving online business. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a first-time seller, Shopify's intuitive interface and powerful tools make it easy to launch and grow your e-commerce venture. From customizable themes and templates to integrated marketing and analytics, Shopify provides a comprehensive solution for taking your business online and reaching customers around the world. One of the things I love about Shopify is its flexibility and customization options. You can choose from a wide range of professionally designed themes and templates, or build a completely custom storefront that reflects your unique brand identity. Shopify also offers a vast app store with thousands of integrations, allowing you to add features and functionality to your store to enhance the customer experience. And with Shopify's powerful marketing tools, you can drive traffic to your store, engage your customers, and boost your sales. Shopify also provides robust analytics and reporting, giving you valuable insights into your store's performance and customer behavior. You can track your sales, monitor your inventory, and analyze your marketing campaigns to optimize your store for maximum growth. And with Shopify's dedicated customer support team, you'll have access to expert guidance and assistance every step of the way. So, if you're serious about building a successful e-commerce business, Shopify provides the tools, resources, and support you need to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Let's shine a spotlight on Bonanza, a rising star in the world of e-commerce marketplaces. Bonanza is all about unique and interesting items, making it a haven for collectors, artists, and sellers who offer something special. With its user-friendly interface and focus on personalized customer service, Bonanza is quickly gaining traction as a go-to destination for buyers seeking one-of-a-kind treasures and handcrafted goods. Whether you're selling vintage clothing, handmade jewelry, or rare collectibles, Bonanza provides a platform to showcase your unique offerings and connect with a passionate community of buyers. One of the things that sets Bonanza apart is its emphasis on seller success. The platform offers a variety of tools and resources to help sellers optimize their listings, market their products, and build a loyal customer base. Bonanza also provides a dedicated support team that's available to answer questions, resolve issues, and provide personalized guidance to sellers. This commitment to seller success fosters a collaborative and supportive community, making Bonanza an attractive platform for both established sellers and newcomers alike. Bonanza also boasts a unique advertising model that allows sellers to promote their listings across a network of partner sites, increasing visibility and driving traffic to their stores. This innovative approach to advertising helps sellers reach a wider audience and expand their reach beyond the Bonanza marketplace. And with its growing user base and commitment to providing a positive buying and selling experience, Bonanza is poised to become a major player in the e-commerce landscape. So, if you're looking for a platform that celebrates uniqueness, supports seller success, and offers innovative marketing solutions, Bonanza is definitely worth exploring. Now let's step into the glamorous world of Poshmark, the social marketplace where fashion finds a second life. Poshmark is all about buying and selling pre-owned clothing, shoes, and accessories, making it a haven for fashionistas, bargain hunters, and anyone who loves to refresh their wardrobe without breaking the bank. With its vibrant community, social sharing features, and focus on sustainability, Poshmark is transforming the way we buy and sell fashion, creating a dynamic and engaging platform for fashion lovers to connect, discover unique pieces, and give pre-loved items a second chance to shine. One of the things that makes Poshmark so unique is its social shopping experience. Users can follow their favorite sellers, create personalized Posh parties to showcase their items, and share their style inspiration with the community. Poshmark also offers a Posh concierge service that handles the shipping and authentication of high-value items, ensuring a secure and seamless buying and selling experience. This focus on community and social interaction creates a fun and engaging environment for both buyers and sellers, making Poshmark more than just a marketplace, but a vibrant fashion community. Poshmark is also a champion of sustainability, encouraging users to give pre-loved clothing a second life and reduce textile waste. By extending the lifespan of clothing and accessories, Poshmark promotes a more conscious and responsible approach to fashion consumption. And with its growing user base, Poshmark is making a significant impact in the world of sustainable fashion. So, if you're looking for a platform to buy and sell stylish pre-owned fashion, connect with a passionate community, and embrace a more sustainable approach to your wardrobe, Poshmark is the perfect destination for you. Let's venture into the world of global trade with Alibaba. the e-commerce giant that connects businesses with wholesale suppliers and manufacturers from around the world. Alibaba is the ultimate sourcing platform for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and large corporations looking to import goods, find unique products, and expand their supply chains. With its vast network of suppliers, competitive pricing, and secure payment system, Alibaba opens doors to a world of possibilities, making it easier than ever to source products from virtually anywhere on the planet. One of the key advantages of Alibaba is its access to a global network of suppliers. You can find manufacturers and wholesalers from China, India, Vietnam, and countless other countries, giving you access to a vast array of products at competitive prices. Alibaba also offers a secure payment system that protects buyers and sellers, ensuring that transactions are safe and reliable. And with its comprehensive logistics solutions, Alibaba simplifies the complexities of international trade, making it easier to import goods and manage your supply chain. Alibaba is also a valuable resource for businesses looking to source unique and innovative products. You can find everything from cutting-edge electronics and gadgets to eco-friendly materials and sustainable products. Alibaba's platform also provides detailed supplier profiles, allowing you to assess the credibility and track record of potential partners. So if you're looking to expand your business, source unique products, and tap into the power of global trade, Alibaba is the ultimate gateway to a world of possibilities. Finally, let's explore Depop, the social shopping app that's capturing the hearts of Gen Z and millennials with its unique blend of sustainable fashion, vintage finds, and streetwear cool. Depop is a platform where individual style reigns supreme, and users can buy and sell pre-loved clothing, shoes, and accessories with a focus on individuality, self-expression, and conscious consumption. With its vibrant community, aesthetically driven feeds, and emphasis on sustainable practices, Depop is transforming the way young people engage with fashion, creating a space where style and sustainability go hand in hand. One of the things that makes Depop so appealing to younger audiences is its focus on individuality and self-expression. Users can curate their own personal style through their Depop shops, showcasing their unique fashion sense and connecting with like-minded individuals. Depop also encourages creativity and DIY fashion, with many users customizing and upcycling clothing to create one-of-a-kind pieces. This emphasis on individuality and self-expression fosters a sense of community and belonging, making Depop more than just a shopping app, but a platform for creative expression and style exploration. Depop is also a champion of sustainable fashion, promoting a circular economy where clothing is reused, repurposed, and given a second life. By encouraging users to buy and sell pre-loved items, Depop reduces textile waste and promotes a more conscious approach to fashion consumption. And with its focus on vintage and retro styles, Depop celebrates the timeless appeal of classic fashion, proving that style doesn't have to come at the expense of the planet. So if you're looking for a platform to discover unique and sustainable fashion, connect with a style-conscious community, and express your individual style, Depop is the perfect destination for you. So there you have it, the top 10 e-commerce platforms of 2024. Each one offers something unique, from global reach to niche communities, from handmade goods to vintage treasures. The best platform for you depends on your products, your target audience, and your business goals. Do your research, explore the options, and choose the platform that aligns with your vision. And remember, the world of e-commerce is constantly evolving, so stay curious, stay adaptable, and keep pushing the boundaries of online commerce. Now get out there, build your empire, and show the world what you've got. Peace out.